Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and I needed, well, I didn't really need new earrings, but I wanted new earrings for date night with hubby. I made these in under 5 minutes. The supplies are from Walmart and Joanne Fabrics. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I got out all my jewelry findings, and what you're going to need is some earring posts. I love these little roses, but you can get plain little balls. Most of these I got either at Walmart or at Joanne Fabrics. You're going to need some jump rings. And I think this is a 3mm. I could be wrong. You need some head pins. And head pins are flat at the bottom. I like using the extra long ones, and that way I never worry about running short. I also have some Aurora Borealis square Swarovski crystals. Oh, that one's showing up real nice. Okay, and I've got some rhinestone square spacer beads. And I actually got these at Walmart. You need 4 of those. And 4mm bicone beads, Aurora Borealis. And you'll need some jewelry making tools. This is the kit that I just got at Walmart. And these are my old standbys. And I believe I got these at Joann's. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is line them up the way you want them. And it doesn't matter if it's slightly bent. You can try and straighten it out. I actually don't have a wire straightener. But anyway, I'm going to put the bicone bead on first. And that gives it a nice base so that the other beads don't fall off. Then I'm going to put this spacer on. And then the bead. And the other spacer. And the last bicone bead. And now what you're going to do is put your needle nose, round pliers at the top. Let's bring this down so you can, the black really helps. You're going to bend this over, and it's going to make an L. And now I'm going to cut this off about, it's usually about a finger length. And now you're going to grab the end. Okay, now you're going to grab the end with your round nose pliers, and you're going to start rolling. You're going to keep rolling it until it closes. And there it is, nice and closed. And now you're going to open up your jump ring, and you never pull a jump ring open, you twist. Jumpy little thing. Guess that's why they call it a jump ring. And you can see the opening. And once you have it open, then you can slide your bead on. And I'm going to use the roses because they're my favorite, so I'm going to slide that onto the jump ring. Okay, and once, whoops. Okay, once you have the bead on, you have the opening is still open. You're just going to slide your earring post onto that. And if you need to open it a little more to get that on, just make sure that you are twisting, not pulling. Slide that on. Now you have both of them on the jump ring. You're just gonna grab the two ends and close them up. And your earring is now done. And I'll be back after I finish the other one. And there they are, completely done. All I need to do is put the backs on the earrings and I'll be able to wear these. I like making my own earrings for several reasons. One, I know what the posts are made of, so I don't have a reaction, because if I buy cheap earrings, I'm going to have a reaction. And if you make your own, you can do any color, any style, anything that makes you happy. And they're so easy to make. Once you get the basic supplies and a little practice, you'll be making your own earrings like crazy. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.